In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Zoom app on laptop. So open up any browser of your choice and then search for Zoom in Google. So just search for Zoom. And then when you search for Zoom, you will get to the official website page here. So which should be on the first result, the zoom.com. There you go, this one. So click on it and go to the official website. And once you're on the official website, so what we're going to do once you're on the official website, scroll all the way down. Scroll all the way down and you'll get to this section here at the last, at bottom. Under download, you'll see there's an option called Zoom Workplace app. Click on it. Click on the Zoom Workplace app and this will take you to the download page where we can download the Zoom app. So once you're on the download page here, what we're going to do is scroll down and you will see there is a download option here. Okay, you have the 32-bit and 64-bit. You can choose based on your system. So I'm going to click on the download option here. So click on the download option and then the download will start. Once you have downloaded it, then what we're going to do next is click on the download. So I'm using Chrome, so I'll go to the download. So you can just open up your file explorer and then go to your Zoom here. So just open up the file that you just installed, okay, which is the installer. So now we have downloaded it, and to install it, all you have to do is just double click and run the installer to install the Zoom app. And then here the installer will start to run. All you have to do is wait and complete the installation. Once the installation is done, then Zoom should be available installed on your laptop here for you to use. For example, here you'll see Zoom here that has been already installed. So you can simply double click on it and launch it and start using the application on your laptop. And basically that's pretty much it.